So, it seems as though a fresh Pixel 7a leak surfaces every day. The Google Pixel 7a's Canadian price has been made public over the past few weeks, in addition to the device's full spec sheet becoming available before its official release. Apparently, unboxing photos of the Pixel 7a have now appeared online, highlighting the device's two colors, carbon and Arctic blue. It is obvious that, while these leaked photographs may ruin the surprise of the formal release, they have also sparked excitement and expectation among Pixel aficionados and tech enthusiasts. Given that it's a first for Google, the Arctic blue colorway is of particular note. The color's hue is much more faded than typical blue. Arctic blue looks like a term that fits it rather well. The color, which has a tone that leans more towards white than blue, wonderfully captures the appearance of polar ice. We'll have to wait and see how people react to the new color scheme. On the other side, the carbon-colored Pixel 7a resembles the classic black Pixel colors that were previously offered. The poor phone photographs don't make it apparent whether the blacks are darker this time or not. Furthermore, it is unclear what kind of back finish the Arctic blue Pixel has. So, the next Google Pixel 7a is expected to sport an 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage, as well as a 6.1 inches Full HD Plus OLED screen with a 90Hz refresh rate and Google's own Tensor G2 engine. A 64-megapixel back camera with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and for the selfies a 10.8-megapixel front-facing camera. The Google Pixel 7a packs a 4,400 mAh battery, with 20 watts wired and 5 watts of wireless charging capability, and more are anticipated for the smartphone. It is a fantastic mid-range alternative and will run Android 13 as its operating system. Stay tuned, as more leaks are predicted to emerge as the device's May 10th launch date draws closer. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 7a? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.